Hi, I'm Victor Batista, and in this short demo, we're going to go over a use case for an investment bank. In this specific case, we're going to look over a real estate website, and we're going to gather information from that website. The main points that we want to illustrate in this specific use case is one, how many different type of data we can gather, how many different types of information we can put together, and also present it either as an Excel or input it into a database. Aside from that, we're also going to be looking into containers inside containers in our website and also dynamic objects. So let's go ahead and start. Initially, our bot is going to create an Excel file called demo, and it's going to put it in the desktop. Then it's going to go to a real estate website, in this case, Toll Brothers. It's going to go state by state. This is going to be California, and inside California is going to go by each community. In this case, it's Ashbury at Alamo Creek, and it's gathering information all over the page. After that, it's going to go to an interactive sitemap, and these are dynamic object, our dynamic container. And if you've seen here, there's going to be a lot of red circles. Those are the sold homes, and the green squares are the quick available homes. And what this is basically doing is counting all this information. However, our bot is not using image recognition. It's actually going element by element and gathering the information of that specific element. After it's done, it's going to go ahead into several other communities and go on until all the different states that we have requested are available. Now, one thing that I want to point out is the interactive sitemap. It's actually dynamic. If you can see here, this is a very different sitemap from the one we saw previously. And the importance of that is that UiPath is able to handle this continuously changing dynamic container, right? All those elements are being able to be counted, and it's not by image. Now, this specific workflow goes on for a very long time since it scrapes the data for a lot of different communities and a lot of different states. So we're going to just stop it here, and we're going to go over some of the information that we got from these websites. And I'm going to go over all the way to the start so we can look at our very first input into our Excel sheet, which was the Ashbury at Alamo Creek. I'm just going to pull it up, and we're going to pull up the information that we have obtained thus far. So if you can see in here, all the information that we've gone through has already been recorded, and in this case, it's going to record all the quick delivery homes available per community. So in this case, it recorded Laurelwood. Context for price, that means the price was not immediately available. It's going to have a number of bedrooms, 6 bathrooms, half bathrooms, etc. So let's go ahead and just quickly check that our quick delivery homes is actually just one. Yes, Laurelwood. And you can see here that it says, please contact us to learn more information. The bedrooms is 5, the bathroom 6, etc. So all this information was actually recorded, even though you were not able to see it on the screen. The second part is the interactive map. Now, I'm not going to count through these red dots, but let's go ahead and just take recognition of the green dots. So the first page recorded information about each home design, and the second one recorded information about the community itself. And in this case, it's telling us that that community does have a site plan, and it is in fact interactive. Now, available homes is 0, but quick delivery homes is 3, which is the green squares that we saw previously. And the sold homes, which are the red circles, is 110. Again, I'm not going to count through that, but we can see here that all those different homes were taken into consideration, and it was actually recorded. And this is important because this interactive sitemap is a container within a container within a container, which some RPA tools have problems differentiating between what elements are in the background and in the front at this specific moment. So this is one of the use cases in which investment banks or hedge funds can obtain information, or for that case, any company that wants to scrape data very quickly from a continuously changing website. Thanks a lot.